Cannot connect to server.
Hello dear colleagues, dear friends who are using Blenderfordental every day for designing crowns, bridges and popular eyebrows or any other modules on Blenderfordental. Today you may experience some issues with servers. So if you have been having troubles launching the launcher itself and you tried using a backup server but still you cannot get through, there is another option. Don't worry. Let's try using, if you don't have any paid VPN, just download Proton VPN. So let's go. Proton VPN. You can get it for the Mac, I think. Actually, I'm not totally sure, but yeah, you can get it from Mac. So you're fully covered. Windows, Mac, you'll probably have to create account, but it won't take very long. So download the app itself, depending on your processor, install it and launch it. When you will launch it, for example, for me, I'm based in Lithuania. On the pre version, you will get some automatically randomly selected less loaded servers and try connecting them. Try connecting them, at least from what I have tried. I was lucky launching Blenderfordental while connected to United States. Ta-da! Looks like it works also through Netherlands. Hope it will help you to fix your issues until the problems with the servers are solved.
After tunneling VPN connection and UI reinstall, try launching Blenderfordental. Happy blendering everyone!